guys, it's Gina. Today I'm here to share this cream colored cardstock with you, and I want to thank the brand for sending this over to me. I want to say if you are into paper crafting, if you like to draw, paint, watercolor painting, that sort of thing, this is a nice cardstock, but I want to tell you a little bit about it to see if it's really going to fit what you would be using it for. So I would say right off the bat, sometimes it's hard to tell about cardstock if you're not really familiar with the different weights of it. This is a 40-pound cardstock, and I'm just going to kind of wave it a little bit so you can see the amount of movement it has. That might help you decide. I have some personally 80-pound cardstock that is a lot heavier than this, but you might not need cardstock that's heavy. That is that heavy. So it kind of depends on what needs you have. This would be great, I would say, for invitations. Even like I said, if you do any type of scrapbooking or paper crafting, this would work. If you do, I want to say calligraphy, or if you like to draw with gel pens, I think this would work for you. It does also work well for markers. I'm thinking if you even have kids that like to color with markers and they want something that's sturdier than, say, a piece of paper, this would definitely work for that. It does come in many colors, so if this isn't the color you're looking for, there are definitely other colors to pick out. Size-wise, this is your basic 8.5 by 11. But if you are looking for some cardstock, I'd say this is one to check out.